Yeah. Can everybody shout hey yo to Mrs. Couch Potato? She's in her own world in the state of San Diego. Drives a 98, her wage of mine is way low. Papa's little girl, but he ain't too proud to say it all night. Saying how the hell I'm gonna stop her? Can you tell me, am I ever gonna stop her? And I know she don't wanna be popular. So can you tell me how the hell I'm gonna stop her?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a college edition back to school try on clothing haul. I'm moving for college in like about 3 weeks, so I thought today would be a good time to just show you guys a lot of the new clothes I got. And yeah, today's video is also sponsored by Princess Polly. This is my second time working with them and I love their clothing. They have such cute styles, but this time I actually got a promo code for you guys, so you guys can use LoveJoyce for 20% off. And really quickly, they also have free express shipping to the US on orders over $70, and they have a lot of super cute styles, so definitely check them out in the description box. Today's video is gonna be like a college edition, like I said, so it's a lot more like clothes like this where it's not necessarily just for class. So yeah, next week I'm gonna do a high school edition back to school try on clothing haul where I show you guys some pieces that are more appropriate for high school, where the dress code is like really enforced, but in college no one really cares. So I'm just gonna be showing you guys some like in-class pieces and then some like going out pieces, just like college, you know? So yeah, I'm super excited. I want to go ahead and get started. The first piece is this black off-the-shoulder crop top. It has like a really cool cutout right here, if you guys can see. It's black, it's stretchy, it's actually really comfortable, and I really like these for going out because it's like a long sleeve but like not, so you don't get too hot, but it's not like super revealing, like your tits aren't out, but it's like really cute and it's kind of like unique. I feel like I like the cutout on the stomach part and I like the off the shoulder. So yeah, this is one of my favorite pieces from Princess Polly that I picked out. I think this would look really cute with like some baggy pants. I really like doing outfits where I'm wearing like a tight top and then like baggy pants on the bottom, like sweatpants, or not like for this, but like camo pants or something. Or I like doing the opposite where I do like a baggy sweatshirt on the top and then like tighter pants on the bottom. But yeah, this is the first piece. I'm obsessed with it. I really like it and I think it looks really flattering on. So yeah. Okay, so the next thing I got were these black sweatpants from Princess Polly. They have like 2 white stripes on the side, so they look very like sporty, but I think these are really cute. You could dress them up or dress them down. Honestly, like I feel like you could almost wear these out if you wanted to, if you just wore like a more tighter top. I honestly live in sweatpants throughout most of the school year, so I really like more comfortable clothing, but this is definitely something I could wear to class or just like wear wherever, you know. It just depends on how you dress it up with the top and the shoes, but they're just a really cute pair of sweatpants. So the next piece is definitely like a going out dress. This could be something you could wear to like formal, but this is like a maroon bodycon dress. It has a square necked line and then the straps on the top are like little tie straps, so you can tie them yourself, which I think looks really cute. It looks like really dainty, and then this material is just really, it's pretty thick and like stretchy. It's a really nice maroon color, and then the really cute little detail that I like that like got me to get this dress was the little slit at the bottom. It's not like too high or like too annoying and revealing, but it's just like a little slit. But yeah, this would be really good for like a date night or if you're just like going out somewhere that was a little bit more formal. But yeah, I did want to pick up a bodycon dress because I realized I don't have any bodycon dresses. Like when I was going clubbing with my friends, I was like, I wore jeans because I didn't have any dresses. So yeah. All right, the next piece is this super cute skirt. I've been eyeing this skirt for so long. I almost bought it myself. It's this really cute forest green skirt with white stitching. So it's like I don't know if it's denim or not. I don't think it is. It's not. It's definitely not denim. It's a pretty thin material, but I really like the silver O-ring zipper. I think it looks really cute and it just makes it look a little bit more edgy. But I really like the white stitching. I don't have any skirts like this. Like all my skirts are just like plain blue or black denim. But yeah, I thought it was good for me to add some color to my closet because I literally only wear like black, white, and neutral colors, so I wanted to get some color to my closet. Okay, so the next thing that I picked out was a denim skirt because I think denim skirts are super versatile. If you want, they look cute, but they're like kind of annoying to wear, but I just wanted to get another one. So I only have one other denim skirt that's like a light wash and I really like it, but sometimes I don't wear it because of the fact that it's like really light colored. So I wanted to get a more wearable like blue, like a solid blue denim skirt. So this is the one that I picked out. It's really cute. It's not like super tight. It kind of flares out at the bottom, so it won't like ride up or like, you know, be really annoying to wear. And this is what the back looks like. And I just feel like this is so versatile. You can just wear it with like a t-shirt and still look pretty cute, you know? It looks like you tried, but like it's just a skirt. All right, the next thing that I picked out was this sweater. This is just like a very super soft, very thin, like it's so breathable. But this is a black and white striped sweater and I really like how chunky the stripes are. I don't like thin stripes, you know. I like really chunky, like thick. I thought this would be really great for the fall because I am moving to Boston. This obviously isn't gonna like last me through Boston winter, but I think this is a really great piece to layer with because you can put a leather jacket or a denim jacket over something like this sweater because of how thin it is. I really like chunky sweaters, but you can't like layer jackets over them sometimes because they're so chunky that your jacket like doesn't fit over it, you know. So this one's a little bit thinner. I think it's great for like the transition between summer to fall to winter. This is like a red tie top. It has short sleeves and then you just tie this in the front. It doesn't look like anything when I hold it up, but it's a really pretty bright, super vibrant red color. And then the sleeves are a little bit poofy, but it does tie in the top and it's also cropped. So I think this would be super cute for going out or just like you wanted to dress up cute. I don't know. The next piece that I got, I'm obsessed with this. I think it looks so cute, but it's this like tie front sweater. It has these really poofy, like scrunchy sleeves, but front is like this open tie situation, so you like tie it in the front. But yeah, I really like this. It's also super soft and I really like this light heather gray color. I think it looks really like soft, you know what I mean? All right, next I picked up these red camo pants. These are like kind of swishy, like track pants material. They have a belt built in that looks really sick, and yeah, I only have one other pair of camo pants that are green and I really like them, but I wanted one in a different color, so I picked these up in red, and these are like way more comfortable than the other pair that I have. So yeah, this is what they look like. They have a cuffed bottom and then there's some pockets on the sides, but I think these would look really cute also like if you wanted to be comfortable, but if you wanted to like go out, like I feel like this top and these camo pants would already make a really good going out outfit. Okay, so this next top, I actually saw Hannah wear this in her Jenny Blackpink like outfit style steal video, and then I like favorited it. But this is this white top. It has a really cute square neck. I'm like obsessed with this neckline. I feel like this is like the cutest neckline ever. As weird as that sounds, but it's this really pretty like lacy eyelet material, and then on the front it has almost like a sweetheart neckline, like it goes down a little bit, and then there's these buttons going all down the front, and then there's like a little bit of ruffle on the bottom. I just think this is like the cutest shirt ever. I'm obsessed with this shirt. Like this is probably my favorite shirt that I've ever owned. But I really like how like princessy and like delicate it looks, and I think if you wear it with like something more edgy on the bottom, it could look so sick. So I'm really excited to wear this top, and you guys know white tops are my favorite. I wear white tops like 98% of the time, so I'm obsessed with this one. I feel like that top is also like the quintessential brunch top. Like it just looks like brunch. The next thing that I got were these jeans. These are a pair of Levi's. They're the 501 Originals. I feel like this is the like exact pair of jeans that you see on Instagram every single day by fashion bloggers. It's like just the Levi's that everyone has. But yeah, this is what they look like. They're just like a light blue wash, and I haven't tried these on yet, but it's like a pretty straight leg, so I'm not sure how that's gonna look on me just because I usually wear like more fitted jeans, but I really want to get some more like baggy boyfriend jeans. I picked up these red sweatpants. These are so thick and so like, these are like the nicest sweatpants I've ever seen, but they're bright red and they have some white stripes on the side. If you guys can't tell, I'm like having a red moment. There's a white adjustable drawstring waist, so it's like just, these are just so soft. Like I can't get over it. But yeah, I honestly, I'm not even joking when I say that like I wore sweatpants to high school every day. Okay, then I got these pants. I don't own anything like this. These are like white and striped pants that have a little bit of like a ruffle on the top, and then there's a built-in belt, but these give me like business casual vibes, you know? Like I feel like all of my pants are either really tight and like skinny jeans, leggings, or they're like sweatpants, but I don't have like an in-between. Like I don't have like formal like nice pants, you know what I mean? So yeah, I really like these pants. They're so like flowy and breathable. They're really light. All right guys, then the last thing Princess Polly sent me were a pair of booties that I picked out. These are by the brand Therapy, and they make my favorite shoes off of Princess Polly. I have like 2 other pairs from them. And the thing with Princess Polly is that like half the time I like buy stuff from them. Like that's why I freak out when they want to work with me, because like I own so much of their stuff that I've like purchased myself, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. But these are these super cute snakeskin boots. I've wanted these boots for so long. I literally have been on the hunt for boots like these, and these are not too expensive. They're only around $60. The ones I was looking at were like $200-300, just because at first I remember I saw like a model on Instagram wear them, and then I really wanted them, and like no one really made like a cheaper version of it yet. I think this is maybe like 3 to 4 inches. Their heel height's never too bad. Like I usually can last an entire day wearing therapy heels, like therapy boots. I really like the pointed toe. I feel like it just looks so much more put together and just like snatched. Okay, then the next top that I got was also like a black long sleeve going out top. So this is what it looks like. It's just a black long sleeved crop top, but it has like a chest slit, like kind of like a cutout. So yeah, this is really stretchy. It's super comfortable, and I think this will look great with a lot of different bottoms. Okay, then I have a few more tops that I put on hangers for some reason. So this is the first one. It's like a white cropped linen shirt. I think this looks really, really cute and casual. I think this looks so like clean, you know what I mean? Like it's just really put together. I really, really like these button down shirts, but I feel like they always look so weird on me. So I really like how they took this and kind of put like a twist on it, like they made it cropped. All right, then the next thing is this striped long sleeve button down shirt. It's kind of like this polyester material, so it's super breathable, very flowy, and yeah, it just has some stripes and a big pocket. But I think this would look just so cute if you just wore this shirt, because it's like pretty long, and then just wear like some shoes. Like I feel like it would look really cute as just like a, like not a t-shirt dress, but like a button down dress. All right, then the last top that they sent me was this white cropped one. It has like 2 strings on the bottom, so you tie it in the front, but I'm not entirely sure how this will fit me, because I feel like the chest area is like really really big. Really like the ruffle on the bottom. I feel like this shirt is just so sweet and cute looking. Okay, then I have 2 other things that Princess Polly sent. These are more of like accessories, but I'm obsessed with this belt. I think it looks so fucking cute. So this is like a belt bag. It's just like a black belt, but it has this adorable detail right here. First of all, it has like this silver chain, which just makes it look a lot more edgy and like cooler. And then it has a little baby, like I don't even know what this is, like a pouch. It has these little metal details which just add a lot to it. And then it's not like super big to the point where you can like hold everything you need like a fanny pack, but it's big enough to where you can hold like a chapstick and like a credit card and just be set for the day or something. So I think this is really, really handy. Like I think it's really functional, honestly, and it looks really cute. So I can definitely see myself using this whenever like I go into the city or something, and I don't want to like carry a huge backpack or like a purse with me. I just want to carry like the essentials, you know? So also this would be really good for festivals. I wish I had this for like Coachella or something, because I totally would have just brought this instead of like a backpack. All right, then the last thing that they sent me were these sunglasses. These are from the brand Key. They're these really cute cat eye sunglasses with like the tortoise shell, and then they have a little gold detail on the corners. But I think these look so sick. I already bought a pair of cat eye tortoise shell sunglasses from them, but they don't have like this detailing, so I feel like that makes it look a lot more luxurious and like expensive. But yeah, I'm obsessed with their sunglasses. I feel like they have such a good selection of sunglasses, so if you want cool sunglasses, check them out. All right guys, so that was everything from Princess Polly, and now moving on to stuff that I bought. Okay, so I picked up 2 pairs of shorts because, well, in college there's no dress code, so no one cares how short your shorts are. Like you could literally wear booty shorts and no one would care. So I picked up a pair of denim shorts from Forever 21. I usually don't wear their denim because I feel like their sizing is also really strange, but these were a size small. These are only 24 bucks, and these are like, they're distressed denim shorts, so they're high-waisted, and then they have a little bit of like distressing on the front, and then this is just what the back looks like. But I bought these online and I wasn't sure if they're gonna fit me or not, but they fit and they look really nice. So yeah, I actually really like these. All right, then I picked up a pair of shorts from Free People. So these are a pair of black distressed denim shorts. They have like this built-in red scarf, which I think is really cute. Like it just adds a lot to these shorts, I guess. But the cut of these are like this dolphin cut, which means it's kind of like longer in the crotch, and then it like goes up on the side of your leg. I feel like that looks so flattering. I don't know why more stores, like more brands, don't make dolphin cuts anymore. Like a lot of stores just do straight cut denim shorts now, but I still really like the dolphin cut shorts. I feel like they look really flattering. So yeah, see, you know what I mean? Like it's like this. All right, so another thing that I got at Forever 21 was this white crop top. This reminds me a lot of For Love and Lemons design. I feel like they're ripping off For Love and Lemons a lot, but this is what it looks like. It's just a white ribbed crop tank top with this metal detailing down the front. It's kind of like hook and clasp, I think that's what it's called. But I just think this looks really cute. You could wear this on a night out, or you can just layer it with like a denim jacket for class or something. I think this is just super versatile. I love like little crop tanks and tees to layer with. So yeah, this is also like $9, I think, so it's a really good deal. Okay, then the other thing that I got from Forever 21 was also a white crop tank. This one is a bit more like daytimey. It has a little tie right here so you can tie it in the front, but I really like how the straps are like ruffled. This reminds me a lot of Realization Par's dresses. I think this looks really cute. I love this material too. It's a really nice like woven fabric. All right, then from Urban Outfitters, I picked up like a spaghetti strap tank top. This one is this really cute burnt orange color, and of course it has this square neckline because I love that cut. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's like this satiny swishy material. But yeah, this is just like a satiny cami top, and I think it looks really cute. I also know they have this in a lot of different colors. All right, then I got a thing from Pretty Little Thing. I literally just got like 4 things, and then I ended up returning 3 of them because the quality was so like iffy. So this is the one top that I kept. This was literally $7. Like it's just like incredibly cheap, but it does feel like tissue paper. But it's this off the shoulder eyelet lace top. It has like string in the center so that you can tie it up and then tie a knot here. But I think this is a really cute going out top. I've already worn this like a handful of times, so I honestly really like their stuff. I think Pretty Little Thing has a lot of like good going out tops. They're just really cheap, both price wise and quality wise. All right, then the last thing I got is from Urban Outfitters. So this is a Project Social Tee top, and I love Project Social Tee. They have so many good basics that are really soft. They're a lot better quality than like Brandy Melville, but they have a lot of good basic styles. So this is just a black top that I got from them. It looks like this. It's like a hybrid between like a square neck and a scoop neck or the neckline, but it's like a tightish top and it's ribbed. I think this would be really good for layering or just like wearing on a day-to-day basis. Like it's just like a basic piece, you know? Alright guys, so that was everything I wanted to show you guys for this haul. Again, this was like a college edition, so that's why a lot of the pieces are more like revealing or like thoughty, you know? Next week I'm gonna have one that's high school edition, dress code approved, so be sure to look out for that if you are in high school. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you Princess Polly for sponsoring this video. I'm gonna leave the links to everything down below so you guys can check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a like and also subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you aren't already. I'm actually gonna be doing a giveaway with Princess Polly for a $200 gift card, so I'm super excited. If you guys want to enter, be sure to just check out my Instagram. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!